Do you use a video camera to shoot home movies and videos for YouTube like I do? If so, stick around. I have something that I want to show you. Now we're just coming out of a deep freeze. Got snow on the ground. It's been cold, so I decided to go through some of my old videos, and I found some that I haven't yet produced or put on here, so I thought I'd incorporate those with this one here. What I'm talking about is if you use a camcorder to shoot home movies or videos for YouTube like I do, then you're going to want to check out Amamzon, a little spot called Big Mike's. He's got a dual battery charger. Can hook up two batteries, charge them at the same time, rather than using the wall plug like I used to do. Anyway, let's watch this video, and I'll get back to you. I'll also put a link right down there in the description for his website, and on Amazon there, and I'll show you what I'm getting to. He's got some really great deals. He's got one battery that's going for like $40, but if you buy the dual batteries and the charger, it's only $50, so $10 more, and you're getting 3 times as much basically. Anyway, let's zip on over.
And welcome to my little cam corner where I have the Canon Vixia HFR 800, the Canon Vixia HFR 700, and I'm filming with the JVC Averio. I got a lot of cameras here. I also have a lot of wires. I got the 800 wire here charging the battery. I have the 700 here charging the battery, and this one here is for the JVC, which I'm currently using. What I want to do is I want to eliminate some of these wires.
So I went online, looked around, and found a dual battery charger from Big Mike's. Went and ordered it, came in the mail, and let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now this is primarily for the Canon Vixia, and this is the way it came. It's got the little wrap in it. It looks like they made their own box. I don't know. And you get a little cord for it. And it looks like these here are going to be the batteries for the Canon Vixias. They also come with it. And what I'm looking for is the actual battery charger, which is way down at the bottom. At first glance, it's all plastic, but seems to be a very quality build. Nothing coming apart. The cord is USB. Now it looks like the other end is maybe micro USB. You know, I'm kind of wondering. What I have here is my GoPro dual battery charger. See what happens. Nope, it's definitely micro. But the batteries slip right in through here. And they pop right back out. No problem. You can take this on the go anywhere and charge my batteries. Let's go ahead and grab Vixia battery and compare. Vixia battery slides in, no problem. I'm going to hook this up to the computer here real quick. LEDs come on for both sides, letting you know that they are on. As soon as you slip in a battery, the Canon Vixia battery was fully charged, so it's going to be showing green. The new batteries are showing red, so they are charging. Anyway, this unit came from Big Mike's Premium. It's exactly what I'm looking for. What I'll do is I'll find a longer cord and start charging batteries and going from there. Okay, we got the Canon battery here. We got the BP727 battery here, and as you can tell, they're both the same height. As far as width, they're both the same width. The 718 is a little smaller battery, but it'll work just fine. I went with the larger capacity batteries since I do a lot of videoing. Hook the charger up to a wall, and seems to be working great. And what I hooked the charger to the wall with was just one of these little doohickeys. Plugs right in, and then just plug it into the wall. So it's basically a go anywhere as long as you have the spare parts and I can rig something up. I think I'm going to be happy with this. I'll let you know later on down the line how this actually performs when we go and take a trip. I'll go ahead and leave links down below in the description there of for getting this. And yeah, check it out. I did some research on it. This is what I came up with. So do your own research, and if it's something you're in the need for, go ahead and pick one up. So far, I have no complaints. Until next time, I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.
Now I got to tell you, when I made that film, or those clips, I was still in Washington, and I've been using them for, the batteries and the charger for, the past 3 years now. I still don't have any problems with them. They fit right into my camera bag. When I take it on the go, they'll plug into either the car or, via the USB, or plug right into the wall and charge up the batteries, no problem. I can't say enough about it. I've never had a problem with them. I got 2 extra batteries, plus I got 2 cameras, so I have the OEM HFR 700 and 800 batteries, which are basically the same battery. So 4 batteries, 2 cameras. Yeah, I'm golden. So if I run out of one, I can charge the other while on the go, and I can grab the battery, switch batteries out, put this one back on the charger, let it charge up, and voila, I'm back to filming. So if you use big mics, have something to say about them, go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you've used somebody else, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'm going to sit back here, take a few more enjoyable scenes of the deer that come by, and probably head back in because it's still cold, even though it's finally above freezing now. Anyway, hope you enjoy it. I'll catch you later. Bye bye, guys.
And welcome to my little cam corner. It's where I have the Sony's not the right name.